It's Rachel and Kristen.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's Tipsy Tips. Cheers.
Cheers.
So today I have a bare face, if you can't tell. Yay breakouts from masks I reacted to.
Oh yeah.
So Kristen is doing a natural complexion tutorial on me today. And she uses minimal amount of products, and it's really quick and easy, so let's just get started.
Everything comes naturally. It comes naturally when you're with me. Everything comes naturally. It comes naturally.
So I already prepped my skin with most of my skincare. That's why I'm a little dewy looking. I'm not oily, I just have products on my skin. But Kristen always starts with a moisturizer, right?
Yes, moisturizer first. I like to use one with an SPF.
Yeah.
So I get like double protection.
Okay, let me grab that one. We'll just mix them together. Because I always use that. So this one is the watermelon fruit smoothing gel that I got from Boutique. Hide my face in focus. There we go. And then this one is the Paula's Choice Skin Recovery, and it is the daytime one with the SPF, so we'll just see how these mix together.
Yeah, that one's a gel and a...
Yeah,
like
it's a pink color. Okay, where's the mirror? This feels weird. But we gotta get the SPF in there.
It's important. Sunscreen.
I figured it'd be faster for me to put this on.
Yeah, that I don't have to mess with your face either.
Yeah.
Rachel also did her eye makeup because...
Yeah, I couldn't resist doing my... I need to wipe that. This is too much.
Here's a towel.
Oh, yeah, I keep a towel for
That's
such
really
purposes.
handy.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so after that, then...
No priming.
No, I don't do any priming. I'm not that skill level yet, so I do simple, really simple. So then I use like this is a tinted moisturizer.
It's kind of like a BB cream type product. It has more of a light medium coverage.
Yeah, it says a tinted hydrating gel cream if you want to get super particular.
Yeah.
This one's from Bare Minerals.
Yep, it's the Complexion Rescue.
Complexion Rescue.
Is it your favorite of all time?
Yes, absolute favorite. It saves my life. It also has SPF 30 in it. So, there's a few ways you can put it on. I just use my fingers, but for Rachel, I'm going to use this brush. Also, you can use a sponge if you just get it a little bit damp, right, and wring it out. See, I've learned things. So I just like to, I put a little dot. My cheeks are always the reddest, so I put a lot more on my cheeks and my
usually
nose.
the center of your face.
So
is
I
what
put
needs
like
the
a
most
little bit
coverage.
more, yeah, in those areas, and then like right around my nose. Gets a little red. Just want to make sure you get all the little areas. And then just
Spread it out.
spread it around. And that gel is kind of thinning it out a little bit, so we might need to
Add
do a
more
little
coverage.
extra. Yeah. Once we blend it all in, we'll see how it looks.
Yeah, I might need some extra coverage anyway because of my breakouts.
Yeah, but the Complexion Rescue is nice because it's not super, it's not thick, and I don't know, I like that.
Yeah, it's not heavy or cakey.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll probably have to do a double. Also, if you kind of let the moisturizer sink in a little bit, that can be helpful too. Before you add on the
because then it's not
Rescue.
mixing with the moisturizer and thinning out.
Yeah. But then sometimes if you're not as tan and the color doesn't match, sometimes it's a good idea to mix it with your moisturizer. So that kind of thins it out. Yeah, I can't really see that side of the face. It's not very blended.
I was just trying to look at the camera.
There we go. That's better. Yeah, it kind of looks a little streaky right now, but we'll fix that. And don't forget about under the chin. Gotta blend that.
Blend it a little bit past the jawline so you don't have that line of demarcation.
Yeah, that terrible, terrible
That we all know
Why?
girls in high school who did it.
Yeah. Just like a completely different...
I don't know if girls in high school nowadays do it, because all the girls...
I feel like everybody's really good at
they know makeup now because they have access to things we didn't.
Yeah, like they're super good at it. Like they're like pros.
Yeah, it's not fair.
It's stupid.
They need to go through that awkward stage with like the frosty eyeshadow, the orange
the really
face,
white eyeliner, and the just terrible. The like really glossy like lips. Okay.
The body glitter that used to be like horrible. Now body glitter is pretty, but it wasn't like 15 years ago.
Glitter has come a long way.
Yeah.
A long, long way. Yeah. Okay. So that still does pretty good coverage, even with it being.
Yeah. See, like a light medium coverage.
Yeah. So.
I mean, it's still not gonna ever cover this red angry spot, but the rest of my face is pretty covered.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good, but
and it looks
if
really
you want
natural.
a little more, you can always layer it. It's not gonna feel cakey or anything like that.
Just layer a little on my chin.
All right, yeah, because your cheeks aren't super red like mine, so we'll put a little more here, and maybe just like a tiny bit on the cheeks.
Okay.
And I think that's all we need for you. But yeah, super simple, really quick.
Speaking of body glitter, did I ever tell you about that mean girl in middle school?
No.
I was at a friend's birthday party sleepover.
Yeah.
And we were like confessing things. And this one girl confessed that she thought I looked like a boy.
What?
And then another girl was like, "It's okay, Rachel, just put on some body glitter and then you'll look like a girl." They're so mean.
And what a weird solution.
Well, because I got some body glitter.
Yeah.
Because my friend also, her birthday was the day after mine.
Yeah.
So we exchanged birthday presents.
Yeah.
So I got some body glitter and she's like, "Just put it on, you won't look like a boy."
Wow.
Because at the time I was like 13 and had no boobs and...
Oh yeah, been there, still there.
I think I still look like a 13-year-old girl, but...
Uh-huh.
Yeah, middle school is harsh.
Yeah, apparently glitter makes you look like a girl. Body glitter.
You gotta sparkle it up to look feminine, according to Miss Kayla.
Miss Kayla?
Yeah. I don't want to say her last name.
We don't like you, Miss Kayla.
I don't want to say her last name.
Yeah, that would be a little mean.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's pretty much it, but I mean, you can take this like one step further and you can add like a little bit of highlighter and... Bronzer.
Do you want some highlighter? I didn't pull out some highlighter for you.
And that's super easy too. I'll show you. I can do it.
This one has a natural side. I'm pulling out my Fenty highlight. It's got this natural side, and Kristin likes a natural highlight. So,
so not anything super like, you know, glittery and that stuff. Something just to add a little bit of shine.
So this is a highlight brush. Or a fan brush.
I like the fan brush. It's fun. I don't do this a lot. So when I get to do it, I use the fan brush.
And so notice, she does not powder the face at all. She just goes straight into the powder products.
Is that bad?
No, it's actually a technique I've started doing.
Okay,
I found it looks better on my dry skin to use less powder.
Yeah, I think less is more sometimes.
Your technique of holding the brush that direction is interesting. Okay,
I've not a lot of practice with a fan brush, so don't follow that. Just, you know,
most people hold it like to get the cheekbone like this.
That makes sense. Listen to Rachel. Like this?
Yeah.
And then how about right here? Like this
you don't highlight this area.
Okay, like right here.
Yeah, just the high points, like the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow.
That makes sense.
Some people just highlight the cheekbones if they want to stay real natural.
Yeah. That's basically what I do. I don't usually...
She highlights the under eyes too, though. She's crazy.
Well.
Or just
mine are always really dark, so that's probably why I do it. I bring it in a little more.
Oh my gosh, you need a color corrector.
Well, you gave me one, but I just always forget to use it. Because I stick to my routine.
Did I give you a liquid one or a pot one?
a liquid one. It's that like green and that spirally one.
No.
Isn't that? That's not.
That is a color correcting primer.
Oh. So
the color corrector.
There's more.
There's more. It's like a specific product. This is from NYX. This is the Dark Circle Concealer. It's like a peach tone and it cancels out the blue tones under your eyes.
Oh.
You just dip your finger in and pat it over that area before you put either your foundation or concealer on. Oh, this was $5 at Walmart.
So yeah, if you have dark circles like I do, you can do that too.
Yeah, color correct.
Color correct. Multiple options.
I'm so dewy. I love it.
I know. That's another reason.
I love the
Complexion
wet
Rescue. Makes you look so.
What kind of brush do you like for bronzing?
I've been using like this kind, but
An
like
angled
smaller.
brush?
Like it's just a little smaller than that.
Like this?
Yeah, it's kind of in between these two. Wait.
I do not have
in between these two, but I mean either one will work. It'll be fine. I'll use the smaller one because I feel like that's more control. The small one.
You could bronze with this. This would be fun.
I'm not even gonna try that. For another time, maybe. Okay, so
she's using Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze in Fair to Light. It is both of our favorite bronzers because it has like a luminous, like skin-like finish.
Yeah.
It's not matte.
Yeah. It's really pretty. So I just kind of dip that in there a little bit. Blow it off. And then you just want to, I don't know, like that.
You're contouring?
Yes. That's what I do with my bronzer. I just go right here a little bit. That's what I start with. Okay, this one is not stiff enough for me.
You gotta go with the big guns?
Yep. Bringing it out. Bring them out. Bring them out. And I like to just...
So you tap it, and then you swipe it, and
I like
you swirl
swipe it, and then I swirl it. And that gives you a good little blend. A lot of swirling.
So you just place bronzer on the cheeks, or do you place it anywhere else?
I do it mostly on the cheeks, but then I'll kind of bring it up
around the
temples,
temples,
the temple, and then a little bit up into the
forehead.
But just slightly. But you just want to make sure it's just blended.
Yeah.
I like this big brush.
You look
actually.
naturally sun-kissed.
Yeah. Exactly. Let's turn you this way, because I can't really see. So swipe it. And then blend it a little bit wider, closer to the ears. Yep, just do that all the way. It's pretty fun because you can be pretty loose with it. Yeah.
Yeah, now I look like I've been out in the sun.
Yeah.
I look good.
Super natural. And you're protected from the sun, too, so you don't need it.
And then, do you spray setting spray, or is this
No.
it?
That's all I do. But you can, if you want to. Because it'll probably help if you get sweaty or anything. So, you know.
And this, she wears this like every time we go swimming or have like a water slide party, because her family owns like an inflatable water slide and they have yearly parties.
It's so much fun.
And it wears off so naturally and never looks like,
it doesn't streak
with the water,
off or anything.
it doesn't streak or look patchy. Like, it's such a
so don't
natural
worry about
product.
It's the best.
Yeah.
Not paid or sponsored.
Totally worth like the $29 or $30 that they've raised the price to. Totally worth it.
It is very worth it. And actually, you don't need a lot either.
No.
So.
Usually with using this, it takes me like a year to go through it, and I have multiple products. Her, I'd say it takes 6 months, and it's the only product she uses.
Yeah, and I use it pretty regularly.
Yeah.
So.
Do you guys want to take a shot with us before we go? Yeah, let's take a shot. Okay, and just for the person who requested it last time, as we're taking a shot, I'll just play a little clip of that song for you. Just so I don't get a copyright strike, it'll be the smallest clip.
We do happies around here.
You know who you are. You know who you are.
That's funny.
And this is orange juice and tequila, in case you were wondering.
Very tasty.
Yeah.
We do happy shots because
we're lightweights. So, half.
And we like being responsible, too. So. Cheers! Cheers!
Ah! Oh! Yuck! Oh, God.
Ugh.
I hate shots!
Blech.
So that completes this episode of Tipsy Tips. Let us know down below if you have any suggestions.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time enunciating.
For natural makeup tips, we're a couple shots in now, so in case you're wondering, that's why I can't talk. And we will see you guys next month. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.